just to clarify, I could not get a printer to print this out, and I thought this would be easier for me and maybe even for you to just do it on my iPad, take out whatever points you need to for this, because I realized that this is not acceptable. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this problem using the order of operations. So we have 2 over 9 divided by 5, 6 minus 0.5 in parentheses, exponent 2 times 3 over 8, and this will be using PEMDAS, also known as parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So the first thing we want to do, obviously, the first step is to find our parentheses, which is 5/6 minus 0.5 squared. So what I want to do is just take 0.5 and turn that into a fraction to just make it a little easier to subtract from 5/6. So we'll just bring that over here, turn that into 5/10, and then simplify to 1/2. And we know that is 1/2 because 5 divided by 5 is 1, and then 5 divided by 10 is 2. So now we want to go ahead and subtract. So obviously we cannot subtract these two because the denominators are different, so we want to multiply by 3 to get the same denominator. And when we get that, 2 times 3 is 6, and then 1 times 3 is 3. Then we can go ahead and subtract and get 2 over 6. So now what we want to do is simplify further and get 1 over 3, 1/3. No, yeah. Okay, so now what we want to do is bring that down to 5/6 minus 1/2 squared. So to do that, now we need to bring this down, and now we're just filling it in. So now we got our 2/9 from our original problem divided by 1/3 squared times 3/8. So now we've just we finished our parentheses. Now we're going to go into our exponents. So to do exponents, we need to multiply 1/3 by itself, which will equal 1/9. Okay, so now we are going to fill in the problem from our original problem. So we're bringing our 2/9 down, our 1/9 that we just did, and then we're multiplying by 3/8. So obviously in PEMDAS, multiplication and division, it doesn't matter which one comes first, so we're just going to work left to right and do our division first. So what we're going to do is change our color here to purple, and then we're going to use our 2/9 and divide it by 1/9. So obviously with division, we're just going to flip that and multiply 9 over 1 instead of 1 over 9. So now we just need to multiply straight across. So 2 times 9 is 18, and then 9 times 1 is 9. And that will simplify to 2. Okay, so after doing that, we have got our original problem down to just 2 times 3/8. So obviously we have our M part in the PEMDAS, which is multiply. So for this step, we just want to make 2 our denominator and then put that over 1, and then we're multiplying 3 over 8, and that gets us to 6 over 8. Simplify that down to 3 over 4, which leaves us with the answer 3 over 4, and that is how we use the order of operations to use a problem. So we need to just come back to the other page, over here, and then just put the answer to 3/4. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Love your class.